First, take Quick Selection tool. Click on Select Subject. Then make selection properly. Then go to Layers panel, and mask the layer. Then make another artboard. Drag the image, and paste on the artboard. Then resize the image. Then take Type tool, and follow the process.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gaze.
Then go to Layers panel. Take the text layer down.
To a new tomorrow,
Right-click on the text layer, and select Pixels.
with the motion,
Then select Masking layer.
follow light that sets me free.
Take Brush tool, and follow the process. Then go to Layers panel, select Background layer, then go to Layers Adjustment options, and choose Gradient, and follow the process. Go to Layers panel, select first two layers, and then group. Then make a copy, and follow the process.